Hello everybody. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. In this topic, we are going to deal about Helm. Helm is a package manager for Kubernetes. It is allow you to install application and management of Kubernetes applications. Okay, so Helm is nothing but as a not only a package manager, it can also do deployments, and if you want to do repeatable and you have some dependency use cases and you have multiple configurations that you want to do it and you want to update, roll back and test the application, you can use Helm. How Helm is normally is integrated architecture is basically Helm is like a will have a client. It will talk to the teller. Teller is executed as a pod. In backend, you can store them in the GitHub. You can call it from the GitHub, or you can have it a own central repository. From there, you can pull it and you can call them. For example, you have an stable packages and you want to deploy their application. Say, I have a web server, or you have a web application like running on a Tomcat. So I'm deployed it and staged it in the first location, and it's working. And I want to make it a second release, and I want to store it every time when I make a release. And in case of problem, I can recall them back. So this is just like not only for software package, not only for application package, they're also focused for software packages. So Helm is like, and for example, like, and there is a overall architecture will normally like at a central location. What you can do is there's like when you initiate the command, there's a Helm in it. So what will happen is it will call the centralized storage where it stores all the necessary softwares and try to tar them and ship it to the container. So let's have the demo of the Helm installation. Helm is very be using in various ways like deploying, creating a package, and rolling in, roll out, etc. So let's launch the Helm. Yep. So very ready. So let's install it. So install them.sh. However, I'm not really sure whether we will be accepting Helm third-party softwares in production environment, but there are some use cases which can be really helpful. So let's create the Tiller account. So install the Tiller. Let's cube system, create a new service account Tiller. So created. So it has created now. So yeah, now it's already done. Now let's create the Helm in it. Now we can see it's almost created. So yeah, so Tiller is already deployed. So let's run. Yeah, so Helm is ready now. Happy Helming. So let's check for let's update the repo. Now I updated the repo now. Let's search for Helm list. Let's list. So nothing is there now. So now let's inspect for stable release for Redis. Yeah, so we got an stable release for Helm. So they are talking how to create multiple ways, like how you want to what you want is like master slave. You have various versions, so you can try to bring it up. So, like for example, they're also giving you a sample file how to install stable release with the production one. The lot of functionality they have given a lot of application deployments. We have a lot of commands and how it's very useful in many ways. How to set up the master slave, how to set up this, how to create an application integrating with Redis, etc. So now let's install the stable release for Helm. So let's install it. Yeah, so Helm says is already installed. So let's set kubectl. So you can get the password from this. So get part. So you can see container has been creating Redis with master slave. So how to connect, all those details are available here. So they are giving every information. So like say, so let's say it's a cube they have already installed now. See, we have got the Redis master and one Redis slave. So while password is stored here, and you have config map, you have services. See, kubectl get services. So you can see we have got the Redis port 6379 for master and Redis for slave. See, okay, I don't have an IM installed telnet. My okay, so get service telnet port 6379. I think it's connection refuse. I think I'm not assigned the IP, so get ports hyphen o white. Yep, so telnet. Yeah, I think something is fishy here. So it's pending. Oh god, okay. It's still pending for creating and it is crashing back. So I'm not sure why it is misbehaving. Okay, so I've not have to investigate much about it. So this is the thing. So just you can install it and we have to see. I believe there is some criteria which I need to follow. Maybe volumes to be mounted. That is why it is not. That is why it is failing. Now let's try to install the MySQL, a stable one. Yep. So I got the MySQL one. Okay. So let's see that kubectl get forward. So let's inspect this table first. Oh yeah, so they are giving many information how to deploy MySQL database. Okay, so how to create master slave setup. So all this thing like it's an value is used for package deployment, any kind of software deployment, and you want to roll it back. You can upgrade, delete, and you can just mainly for package management, guys. So that's it. And I think I hope you understood. Thank you all for your time.